Imagine opening a message or receiving a FaceTime link only to be surprised by an image or video you didn't expect to see. It can be uncomfortable, unsafe, or even harmful. Thankfully, your iPhone 17 has a built-in sensitive content warning that can detect nude or explicit content before you view it, giving you a chance to decide whether to proceed. Here's how to turn this feature on for FaceTime. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Find FaceTime in the list and tap it. In the FaceTime settings, look for Sensitive Content Warning under the Allow FaceTime to Access section. Tap it, then turn on the switch on the next screen. Once enabled, you'll see a list of apps and services that can use this feature. You can manage each one if you want more control. If you want to help Apple improve the feature, you can turn on the switch under Analytics and Improvements. Otherwise, just leave it off. You can also enable sensitive content warning across your entire device. Go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then scroll down and tap Sensitive Content Warning. Toggle the switch on or off depending on your preference. This applies system-wide, affecting apps like AirDrop, Messages, Contacts, Shared Albums, and more. You can revisit these settings anytime if you need to adjust how your iPhone handles sensitive content. And that's it. If this helped you feel safer using your iPhone 17, give it a like or watch another tutorial to learn more privacy and security features built into your device. Thanks for watching.